What's on the bench?
Born to run, baby. Born to run. Welcome to the DeLeon.
Hey, slot car fans. This is Rob DeLeon with the DeLeon Slot Car Raceway. And we just got back from Electric Dreams where we had a really good time. And I'm sitting here at the bench and I'm waiting for Track Fans TV. So I'm going to be watching that tonight. But I figured while I am watching, I'm just going to go ahead and get this video done before. And we're going to show you a what's on the bench. So we're going to start off with, here we go. Look at that. Look at that Cobra. So this is the new 289 Shelby Cobra, and it's the snake, I think they call it the Snake Eyes version. And so this car here, they have a couple of different versions in different liveries. And so my buddy Joe, he got the other version, which is I think the green one. And man, this does look pretty nice. I love those headlights. And so we're going to be basically putting in this track at some other point. I won't do it tonight because this series is not about putting on the track. We're just going to show you what's on the bench. And as you can see, it's got a really small chassis. I think it looks fantastic. What do you think? So anyway, that's one of them. We'll put that back here. And then we've got this one. What do you think this is? Let's find out. Well, and it's not really an unboxing as much as it is just a kind of showing you what we've got here. So this is the Porsche 934/5. This is a fly car, obviously. And I was looking for 934, but the ones that had the small whale tail, they were kind of pricey. And so I saw this one, and the price was right. It has the Gulf livery. I mean, what more could I ask for? I love the matching BBS style wheels. I mean, it looks like a beautiful car. Some people may not be a big fan of the big tail on that. I'll get over that. But it does look like a nice car. Let's pull it off the base and see what it looks like. Kind of regular chassis, not much different than what you would expect from a fly car. It's got some nice engine detail down there. You can see the transaxle and some really big wide tires. So well, we'll definitely have to put this thing on the track and maybe get the tires all trued up. But that looks gorgeous. I love that look. Anyway, so we'll set that one over here. And then we've got one here that I was kind of on the fence about, and this is the second time this has happened. I kind of think about a particular car that I might be thinking about, but I really don't know if I really want it. And then guess what? I see Sasha and Dahi over there at DNA Slot Cars, and they get the particular car, and all of a sudden it pushes me over that edge. So I'm like, okay, now I have to get the car, because now I feel that, okay, it's if it's being purchased by DNA, obviously they have good taste. I gotta get one too. So there you go. There is the 956, and this is the Senna car. And I actually have one already. I have the Jägermeister livery, and I'm waiting for the new one that's coming out. But I thought, you know what? I just need to go ahead and get this now, because if I keep waiting, I'm going to miss out, and it's not going to be available. So there it is. I won't even pull it out. You guys already seen it. It's a nice car. Okay, maybe I'll just take the cover off. You know, talk me into it. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Anyway, okay, good enough. Let me see. Should I pull this thing out completely? It's all taped up. I'll just leave it like that, and we'll move on. I think I saved the best for last. And there it is. Ta-da! So basically, Lancia, or Lancia, however you want to say it, Lancia Stratos. And this is the 1976 with the Alitalia livery. And we have two different cars. We've got one that looks like it has the matching yellow wheels. And we have one that has the gold wheel in the back. Comes with a little card, I guess. I don't know. So number 990 out of 2000. I had looked at these cars before at Electric Dreams, and I was at that time really into digital, and so I realized I couldn't turn these into digital, so I didn't want them. But now that we're racing more analog, to me this is the quintessential rally car, and I've been a fan of this car since I was probably 10 years old when my father bought us radio controlled cars, and I got the Lancia just like this. So this has always been kind of something special to me. And I have one, and I think it is the Bic livery. But this is truly the one that I've wanted for a long time. And so now guess what? I got two of them. So that'll do this episode, this next episode of What's on the Bench. And stay tuned later tonight and join us on Track Fans, where we will be watching Pete do his live show. And it's going to be good. All right, guys, that's it for now. We'll see you later.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please give us a like and subscribe.